In this example, we are going to look at how we work out the area of a composite shape. In this case, the composite shape is a rectangle and a semicircle. And remember, the word composite means two different things put together. So the question actually says find the surface of the ironing board shown below. I think what the question actually means is find the surface area. Now, I just took this from a worksheet that was online to show you just the type of questions that we're looking at. And it's an extra little piece of difficulty because we've got 1.2 metres here and 95 centimetres. So we have to be very careful about the units we use. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that and we're going to make it what it should be to make it nice and easy for ourselves, which is 120 centimetres, because of course 1.2 metres is 120 centimetres. Okay, so we're ready to start. Now, the way I would recommend you do these questions is to do it a little bit more visually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this shape, and the formula for that is going to be pi r squared divided by 2. So remember, the radius is half of the diameter, and the diameter in this case is 95, so if we half that, then we get 47.5. So that's going to be pi times 47.5 squared, and then we're going to divide our answer by 2 at the end. Excuse my rather messy 2, but however. So the answer for that, if we put it into our calculator into one decimal place, is 3542.3. And that's going to be centimetres squared, but I'm going to leave that out because I don't have any space over here to write that, and it'll end up looking really messy, so we'll leave that out just now, but it should be centimetres squared in here. Now, next thing we want to do is to work out the area of the rectangle. So if we do that, then that's just going to be length times breadth, which is 120 times 95. What happened to that 9, but there we go, is equal to 11,400 centimetres squared. So we now have our area of our semicircle here and an area of a rectangle here. So all we have to do to find the total area is to add those together. So total then is 11,400 add 3,542.3, and that gives us our final answer of 14,942.3 centimetres squared. And as I say, that is our final answer. So just to go over it very quickly again, first of all, we converted our units, so we made 1.2 metres into 120 centimetres, so just watch out for that and make sure our units are always the same. Then we worked out the area of our semicircle and the area of our rectangle separately, then we added them together to get our total area. Okay, so that's how we do that question.